Today, let's dive into the glitz and glamour of Ginza, Tokyo's luxury shopping district. Ginza, located in the heart of Tokyo, is synonymous with high-end shopping, dining, and entertainment. As you stroll down its wide, three-line streets, you'll be greeted by a dazzling array of flagship stores, luxury boutiques, and chic cafes. Historically, Ginza was a silver coin mint during the Edo period, which is where it gets its name. Ginza literally means silver mint. Over the years, it transformed into one of the most iconic shopping districts in the world, blending traditional charm with modern sophistication. Your Ginza adventure can start at the iconic Ginza Wako building with its distinctive clock tower. This historic landmark has been a symbol of Ginza since the early 20th century and now houses luxury watches and jewelry. Next, immerse yourself in the vibrant shopping scene, from renowned international brands like Chanel, Dior, and Louis Vuitton, to upscale Japanese department stores such as Mitsukoshi and Matsuya. Ginza offers an unparalleled shopping experience. Even if you're just window shopping, the area's stylish architecture and meticulously designed storefronts are a feast for the eyes. Here is a fun fact to share at your next dinner party. Ginza is home to some of the most expensive real estate in the world. In fact, the land prices are among the highest globally, reflecting its status as a luxury hub. But Ginza isn't just about shopping. It's also a cultural hotspot. Visit the Ginza 6 complex, which blends high-end retail with contemporary art installations. Do not miss the rooftop garden, offering a serene escape amidst the urban hustle. Foodies will find Ginza to be a culinary paradise. The district has lots of Michelin-starred restaurants, serving everything from exquisite sushi to gourmet French cuisine. For a unique experience, try a traditional tea ceremony at one of Ginza's historic tea houses. For art enthusiasts, the Ginza area is dotted with galleries and theaters. Check out the Kabukiza Theater, where you can enjoy traditional Japanese kabuki performances. It is a captivating way to delve into Japan's rich performing arts heritage. As the sun sets, Ginza's charm doesn't fade. The district transforms into a vibrant nightlife destination with elegant bars, jazz clubs, and sophisticated lounges. It is the perfect place to unwind after a day of exploring. Ginza effortlessly combines the allure of modern luxury with the essence of traditional Japan, making it a must-visit destination in Tokyo. Au revoir and keep exploring!